There's no gym membership for pain, no subscription for suffering. It's just you, the floor, and a choice. Stay soft or push back. One rep at a time, you either build your chest or build your excuses. There's no gym membership for pain, no subscription for suffering. It's just you, the floor, and a choice. Stay soft or push back. One rep at a time, you either build your chest or build your excuses. That's the truth about push-ups. They're not just an exercise, they're a confrontation. The most honest test of strength, will, and discipline. In a world addicted to complex programs, expensive machines, and shortcut culture, push-ups remain untouched, unshaken by trends, because they need nothing, just your body and your mind. And that's why they hurt in ways no dumbbell ever can. You drop down and push up not just against gravity, but against weakness, doubt, and every excuse you've ever made. Every rep is a war. Your chest screams, your triceps burn, your breath turns to fire, and yet you go again. Because quitting makes you sick. Because weakness is a disease. And push-ups are the cure. They forge the chest, chisel the triceps, burn the shoulders, and tighten the core. But more than muscle, they forge your mindset. The kind of mindset that doesn't fold when it hurts. The kind that doesn't need a mirror to prove it's growing. Push-ups are prison strength, military strength, silent warrior strength. No spotter, no barbell. Just the raw grind between you and the floor. And when you start hitting numbers, 50, 100, 200, you're not just gaining reps, you're killing the old you. Every push-up is a funeral for the weak version of yourself. The basic push-up alone is a masterpiece. Tight core, neutral spine, explosive drive. But the variations, they're different dialects of pain. Diamond push-ups slice the triceps like blades. Wide grip expands the chest. Archer push-ups build one-arm control. Decline sets target the upper chest with ruthless pressure. Plyo push-ups train explosion. And the one-arm push-up. That's not just strength, it's power, balance, and pure mental control. You don't just perform it, you earn it. Each variation breaks you, rebuilds you, and shows you that strength isn't something you're born with, it's something you bleed for. And science backs it. Push-ups activate more than half your body weight with each rep. They trigger hypertrophy when taken to failure. They build core endurance, improve posture, and transfer strength to your bench press, your punches, even your posture. No excuses, no equipment, no limits. They're adaptable. Grease the groove throughout your day. Hit pyramids to test volume. Add a backpack to load it. Do 100 a day for 30 days and watch your mindset flip. First, the body aches, then it adapts, then it craves the suffering. By week 2, you don't just do push-ups, you need them. Your body starts to harden, your will thickens, your identity shifts. And that's why the hardest men, the ones who don't complain, the ones who've been through hell, soldiers, fighters, convicts, they all rep push-ups like gospel. Because it's not just exercise, it's a daily ritual of resistance. You learn to suffer on command. You learn that pain is information, not a signal to stop, but a sign to lean in. And that's the secret. Push-ups don't build just muscle. They build pride. They build edge. You walk different when you know you can drop and crank out 100 on any surface. Hotel room, cell floor, rooftop, alley. It doesn't matter. You bring the gym with you because the gym is inside you. Your body is the weight. Your pain is the tool. Your floor is the battlefield. No one can take that from you.